Volkswagen Infotainment systems, especially those using MIB3 and MIB4 platforms, can experience various errors. These systems integrate navigation, multimedia, and vehicle controls into a touchscreen interface. Common error codes include C0101 for unresponsive touchscreen, B260 for black screen issues, U03113 for communication errors, and P1600 for memory problems. These errors often stem from software glitches in the Linux-based operating system, hardware degradation over time, weak connectivity signals, or manufacturing defects in components. Addressing these issues starts with understanding these fundamental causes. As of mid-2025, Volkswagen has released software version v3.8.2 for MIB3-equipped vehicles, which addresses black screen issues and improves touch responsiveness. For MIB4 systems in 2024 and newer models, version v12.0 was rolled out in Q3 2025, incorporating AI-driven diagnostics to help prevent errors before they occur.